Okay, this is a 2021 Acura TLX. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system because what happens, the only way the factory alarm goes off, if somebody opens the door, that's the only way it triggers, but nobody's gonna do that. They're gonna break the window and jump in. So by adding the shock sensor, it's like installing an aftermarket alarm without having to carry an extra remote control around. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on that on any of the windows and the alarm will fire off. Turn it off by hitting the unlock, relock it again. All right. Yeah, it works perfectly on all the windows. If somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks to take the rims and tires, it's going to set off the alarm as well. This is a must upgrade for those who have this type of vehicle that has the factory alarm. I think it's a great idea to add that shock sensor to give you that one more layer of security. I'm going to go ahead and bang on this side. And one more thing, when you arm the factory alarm, you always got to give it like 30 seconds before you're able to test it out. What happened is her case slid forward and I was hitting the wrong button. Yeah. This case is a little loose in this thing. Yeah, if it slides forward, you're sitting there thinking you're hitting the unlock and you're sitting there hitting the lock again. Okay. Then I'll test the tires and that will be it for this Acura 2021.